Hi, so now we are just about to launch the second most important campaign in this digital marketing project management program for a e-commerce website. Now, if you remember, we have already launched a search campaign yesterday, and this search campaign has started generating around 15 clicks after spending 212 rupees. However, we have not even received a single conversion yet. So whenever you think about launching any campaigns in Google and Meta, then you don't get conversions easily. It's very difficult to achieve your first conversion because you have to optimize all the campaigns one by one. And if you are able to optimize these campaigns, then you can start getting projects or jobs in the market. Up until the point when you don't know how to generate sales, how to manage project, you hardly get a job in the market. Anyways, so this second campaign, which is called as shopping campaign, is going to cover up the search engine marketing ads. That's right. So to master search engine marketing advertisement, we only have to master two campaigns, search and the shopping campaign. Now both the campaigns starts showing the ad on Google search, but how do you differentiate between a search and a shopping ad? Now when you go on Google and type something like buy shoes, then the ad, a very attractive ad that comes on the top with the product image, product title, product price, and the company name is a shopping ad. The technical name of the shopping ad is product listing ad. And this ad only comes when you can launch a shopping campaign. Now, if you have not launched a shopping campaign, then you would think, okay, let's go into the ad account, click on this plus sign, click on new campaign, and just launch a shopping campaign. However, this shopping campaign will not perform if you just launch a shopping campaign. You need to have a prerequisite for shopping campaign. In fact, we have to understand about two prerequisites for any shopping campaign. Now, first of all, this shopping campaign can only be possible for e-commerce website. So when you think about launching campaigns for different businesses, when you look into education, real estate, tour and travel, hospital, automobile, for most of the businesses, we don't run shopping campaign because those are the service-based business. So we run shopping campaign only for product-based business, also when the business is going to have a e-commerce website. So here for Springtails, we already have an e-commerce website, but yet we can't run shopping campaign because here we need the second requirement to fulfill, which is about having the merchant center account. So when you have to upload or run shopping campaign, then we need to create a merchant center account by going into merchants.google.com. In fact, in the previous videos, we have already talked about the setting up of merchant center and uploading a merchant center feed. Uploading the feed means we have to upload these products in the merchant center account. All the products that we want to promote through a shopping campaign has to be uploaded in the merchant center account. And once these products are approved, then only we can launch a shopping campaign. So now we already have around 39 products approved in the merchant center account. We already have linked this merchant center account with our Google Ads account so that we can start launching the shopping campaign. However, you always have to remember one thing, that you cannot add keywords in the shopping campaign. So when it's about search campaign, the entire study is about keyword match types, broad match, phrase match, exact match. And here in the shopping campaign, we don't add keywords, neither we have an ad copy. We don't even create the ads in shopping campaign. And I would say this is the easiest campaign setup for Google Ads. But then Merchant Center takes its own time to upload product feed, get the products approved. So let's quickly get into launching of this shopping campaign. So now you always have to get into ads.google.com, click on this plus sign, go to new campaign and choose the sales objective. Post to which you click on continue and choose the shopping as the campaign type. Right after clicking to shopping, we have to choose the merchant center account. So right now we have, like, I have multiple merchant center accounts linked with my ad account. So this merchant center account, which is created for Springtails, is having an ID starting with 5424 ending with 34. So now I just have to check if I'm connecting it with the right merchant center account. So this one is the Springtails merchant center account having 39 approved products. I click over here, then I go with standard shopping campaign. I click on continue and wait for a while so the page could pop up to provide the campaign name. So I can name it Spring Tails underscore shopping. Then for bidding, okay, now I have to provide the bidding and the budget in the shopping campaign. So whenever you start any project, you always have to follow the media plan. You always have to understand how much budget is dedicated for that particular campaign for the entire month. So in the previous videos, we have talked about this media plan creation, where we have decided to allot 6,000 rupees of monthly budget for the shopping campaign, which means we have to allot around 200 rupees of the daily budget. So here we provide a daily budget of 200 rupees. We are going with the bidding strategy of maximize clicks. Now, how much bidding amount shall we provide? Again, this is something that we have decided in the media plan creation part. So we have a we have a bidding amount of 10 rupees. So we provide 10 rupees as the maximum bidding amount. Having a bidding amount means we don't want Google to charge us more than 10 rupees for a click. Now we scroll down, we go with search networks. That's totally fine. We enter the target location as Delhi, Noida, probably Gurgaon. Then in advanced location, we go with the second option. This is something that I have talked in the previous video. You always go with the second option of people in the target location. Then in ad group 1, we just go with naming it as a generic ad group. Then I click on this create campaign button. That's it. The campaign is getting created. It's published. Now, if you really have noticed, we have not added one single keyword in this campaign. We have not even created the ads in the campaign. We simply added some information to the campaign in the campaign settings and the campaign is published. Shebang. Very easy task. Now, how does keywords work in the shopping campaign? Do we even have an option? So if I just take you through this left panel, we have this search keyword option. However, you cannot add keywords. You can add negative keywords in the search campaign, but positive ones cannot be added. You can't even create an ad copy in this shopping campaign. Like, you don't have any text or image over here. So both of these things, ad copy and the keyword, gets pulled from the merchant center account. First of all, the ad copy of a shopping campaign includes the image that you upload in the merchant center, title, price, and the company name. And the keywords for the shopping campaign has to be matched with the title. So any word that you put in the title becomes the keyword of your shopping campaign. So let's say if you have a title of a product as flawless eyebrow for women, if someone types flawless eyebrow or flawless eyebrow for women, then the ad is possibly gonna show up for this product. So you can't separately add keywords in the shopping campaign. So I guess that's how we can end up this shopping campaign part. Even though we have a lot of things to optimize, just by launching the campaign is not gonna generate sales for us. We have to make multiple product groups in the shopping campaign. So we go into campaign, we go into ad groups, we go into this ad group, and here we create multiple products group. So when you make a normal shopping campaign, then this shopping campaign is going to show the ads to all the products. You don't get an option to optimize it, but you can break down this shopping campaign into different products, possibly by choosing the item ID. So if you want to like show ads on one particular product, then you just go with choosing that product. You can just have multiple options. In this product group part. Anyway, so as I said, shopping campaign optimization is different story. We can't cover up in this video because we have just launched this campaign. The idea is to start getting sales from the shopping campaign on the daily basis. Now, going back to the training deck is gonna pull up some activities for people who are members or trainee of this project. First of all, I want you to make 2 groups in the shopping campaign. First one for earrings, just put all the earring products in that group. Second one is for necklace and put all the necklace products in that group. Secondly, I would also want someone to add negative keywords in this shopping campaign. So I'll just check whom I can assign these 2 activities from the available list of members. And if you have any confusion left for this session, then we can connect over the weekends to discuss all the issues about this campaign. I will be seeing you then.